So I'm going to demonstrate one-point perspective here. You'll see the essential parts of all linear perspective. You need a horizon line, and that's generally speaking eye level. And in this particular instance, we need 1 point for one-point perspective. In one-point perspective, when you draw your shapes or your cubes, sorry, I don't have the right tool selected, the face or the flat side of the box is facing you. So I'm going to draw a few boxes here. I'm going to create all of those in one-point perspective. So the rule is that for every exposed corner that you can get between the corner and the vanishing point, you draw one line. So for this box, it's only 2 lines. However, for this box, it'll be 3, and I'll just continue on here. Now you'll notice that I have my guidelines. To create my boxes, I just have to create an arbitrary line that determines the depth of the box. And I can start anywhere I want, but it has to be parallel with the face that it's sitting next to. So just do that. Now once you have all your guidelines done, you simply take your eraser and you erase your guidelines up to the box. And that's one-point perspective.